The dimensions of an NBA court are 94 feet by 50 feet. The distance from the origin to the center is 25 feet, making the center 0, 25. H is 0, while K is 25. The distance from the center to the three-point line is 19.25 feet. Therefore, our A value is 19.25 and our B value is 25. The equation for a hyperbola is x minus h squared over a squared minus y minus k squared over b squared equals 1. You put 19.25 in for A, 25 for B, 0 for h, and 25 for k, and get x squared over 19.25 squared minus y minus 25 squared over 25 squared equals 1. To find the vertices, you use h plus or minus a comma k. When you plug in your values, your vertices are 19.25, 25, and negative 19.25, 25. To find the foci, you use the equation h plus or minus c, k. But before you can find the foci, you need to find your c value. To find your c value, you use the equation c squared equals a squared plus b squared. When you plug in your a and b values, you will get c squared equals 995.563. And when you square root it, your c value will be 31.55. When you plug in your h, k, and c values into the foci equation, your foci are negative 31.55, 25, and 31.55, 25. To find the asymptote, you will use the equation y equals plus or minus b over a times x. When you plug in your a and b value into the equation, the asymptote will be y minus 25 equals plus or minus 25 over 19.25 times x. When finding domain and range, remember that domain is left to right and range is up and down. In this case, your domain will be parenthesis negative infinity to negative 19.25 bracket union bracket 19.25 to infinity parenthesis. You get this by going from negative infinity to your vertice, then your other vertice to infinity. In this case, your range will be negative infinity to infinity, as there are no restrictions.